Welcome to First Time Finance, the UK's mortgage specialist for foreign nationals. So, you've moved to the UK, you're working, saving, and maybe even found a place that you love. But there's one thing stopping you from getting a mortgage, and that is the fact that you don't have enough UK credit history. We hear this all the time, right? I don't have enough UK credit history. And trust me, you're not alone. Whether you've been here for 6 months or 2 years, then most UK lenders won't be able to see your financial history from your home country. So even if you've had kind of responsible financial history before, when you get to the UK, it's like starting from scratch. But does that actually mean that you have to wait years to buy? Well, no, not at all. And in this video, I'm going to break it down, why credit history matters so much, what you can do to build it faster, and how we've helped people get mortgages even with limited credit profiles. So let's start with the obvious question. Why does credit history actually matter? So lenders want to know one thing before they give you hundreds of thousands of pounds. Can they trust you to pay it back? And without a UK credit profile, they don't have much to go on. So they need to see something that proves that you're financially responsible here. Now, this isn't about being perfect in any way, shape, or form. It's about showing consistency. Now, here's the part people often get wrong. You don't need a perfect credit score to get a mortgage. You just need enough data on your file for lenders to be able to understand how you handle credit and have handled it in the past. So there are simple ways that you can actually start to do this. I can hear you asking, well, Ripley, how do I actually do it? So firstly, if you're eligible, registering on the electoral roll, that can build trust and links you to a specific address. Secondly, you can get either a credit card, a mobile phone contract, sometimes a credit builder card can help. That way you can show that you can take credit and start to pay it back consistently. Also ensuring that you're setting up direct debits for anything possible like subscriptions, etc. That will show when we go to apply that you have that history as well. Now, in a short space of time, and normally that is kind of 12 to 18 months of activity, that can really start to build your credit score quite drastically. We have helped people get mortgage offers a lot sooner than that though. And to be honest, it's not just about going to one specific lender. It's about finding the right lender for your situation and your credit profile. And this is because not every lender understands how the journey of migrating from one country to another actually works and the difficulties that come with this. Because ultimately, you might be doing everything right. You're earning well, you're saving hard, but if the lender doesn't understand your situation, they'll say no. And that's why working with a mortgage specialist matters so much. So at First Time Finance, we've actually helped over 400 homeowners get approved, including many with limited credit profiles, right? Most of our clients have only been in the UK between 18 months and 4 years. So we don't just look at your credit score, we look at your whole story. So like Esther and her husband, she was on a skilled worker visa and had only been in the UK for 2 years. Her husband, he'd only been here for 12 months. And they assumed they just didn't stand a chance with getting a mortgage in the UK. But we knew exactly what to do. And I'll tell you what, the process was very smooth. There wasn't any issues with credit profile or not getting approved. We went through their documents properly, checked the credit profile, made sure everything works, right? That's the most important thing, is then matching you with the right lender for you with a good interest rate, of course, which ensures that you get a smooth process and you don't run into issues that you shouldn't have to run into. Now, if this sounds like something you need help with, feel free to drop your visa type in the comments section below or just send us a message. We'll help to figure out your options together. And also, if this video has helped, please do give it a like or share it with someone else who needs to hear it. Your journey to owning a home in the UK doesn't start with perfect credit. It starts with the right plan. Speak soon.